In this video, I will share with you top 5 best blenders in 2024, sharing my in-depth analysis and personal experiences to help you find your perfect match. Number 1, Vitamix A3500 Ascent Series Smart Blender. This behemoth boasts brains and brawn. The A3500 blends seamlessly with its self-detect container technology, adjusting settings for optimal results. Its intuitive touch interface and 5 pre-programmed settings make blending a breeze, while the variable speed and pulse control offer flexibility. My experience: effortless nut butter, velvety soups, and restaurant-quality smoothies became my reality. The hefty price tag might sting, but for tech-savvy blenders seeking ultimate control and versatility, this is a dream come true. Number 2, NutriBullet Blender Combo. This personal blender duo packs a punch. The NutriBullet Pro daggles smoothies and protein shakes with ease, while the Baby Bullet whips up dips and dressings. Both boast powerful motors and cyclonic action, churning out smooth results. My experience: convenience is king. Portion size blending, easy cleaning, and portability make it ideal for busy lifestyles. However, its capacity and versatility are limited compared to larger models. Consider this if solo blending and space saving are your priorities. Number 3, Breville the Fresh and Furious Countertop Blender. This sleek blender lives up to its name. Its 1800-watt motor blitzes through frozen ingredients and fibrous vegetables, delivering restaurant-worthy results. The intuitive LCD and pre-programmed settings simplify blending, while the pulse function offers customization. My experience: power and control reign supreme. It conquered frozen fruit smoothies, crushed ice effortlessly, and even tackled nut butter with ease. However, its larger size and higher price tag might not suit everyone. Number 4, Wolf Gourmet Pro Performance Blender. Exquisite design meets professional power in this blender. The 2.2 horsepower motor tackles even the toughest tasks, while the sleek touchscreen interface and pre-programmed settings offer ease of use. The 64-ounce BPA-free Triton container accommodates larger batches, and the self-cleaning function adds a touch of luxury. My experience: blended bliss, literally. Its quiet operation, powerful performance, and self-cleaning feature pampered me with effortless blending. But the hefty price tag and larger footprint might be deterrents for some. Number 5, KitchenAid K400 Variable Speed Blender. This blender offers timeless design and reliable performance at a budget-friendly price. Its 1.5 horsepower motor handles smoothies and soft ingredients well, while the variable speed control and pulse function provide flexibility. The 56-ounce BPA-free plastic container is dishwasher-safe and spacious enough for most tasks. My experience: solid performance without breaking the bank. It churned out delicious smoothies and sauces, but tougher ingredients like nuts and ice required more effort. For those seeking a reliable blender without the bells and whistles, this is a strong contender.